As a warmer-upper to some real showdown truck tests, here's the new Corvair 95 pickup in a typical off-road construction area. The Corvair 95's ideal weight balance keeps the truck going with independent suspension at all four wheels. It literally walks over obstacles. Now, the Ford Econoline. Here it comes. And there it is, stuck in a rut that the Corvair 95 cleared with ease. But let's try a tougher test. Ice, slick, smooth, and slippery. One man holds back the Econoline 85 horsepower truck with ease. A push gets it rolling. Let's try 5 men against the 80 horsepower Corvair 95. Can they hold it back? Nope. Too strong for them. Even on a solid lake of ice, Corvair 95's greater traction gets this truck going. But suppose you live where there isn't any ice, but plenty of mud. Again, you're out of luck and traction with an Econoline. But mud is no obstacle to the Corvair 95, which goes in, on, and over. The Econoline places so much of its weight at the front that unloaded it has little traction, and one man easily pushes it in a circle. With driver and passenger in the cab and the front wheels blocked to keep the truck from rolling, here's what 2 men can do. Yes, balance goes a long way in determining the workability of a truck, and safety, too. Watch. Here comes the Econoline pickup. Speed approximately 45 miles an hour. Wow, let's watch that again. Now, the Corvair 95 pickup with driver and passenger. Same speed. A safe, sure stop that could save a life. Yes, Chevrolet trucks lead the way with greater workability, thanks to the right design. From conventional workhorses to the new light duties, Chevrolet trucks reflect the same outstanding performance that you'll find in all Chevrolets and Corvairs.
And the car won't go. That's the way you spell Chicago. Knife and a fork and a plate of green.